In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Meta Business Suite. Let's begin by understanding that Meta Business Suite aligns its language settings with those of your connected Facebook profile. This means rather than directly changing the language within Meta Business Suite itself, you'll need to adjust it on Facebook first. It's a simple and straightforward process, but let's go through it step by step to ensure everything is crystal clear. First, you'll want to navigate to your Facebook profile, which is essentially the starting point for this change. On your Facebook homepage, you should direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find a small downward arrow or a menu icon, depending on whether you're on desktop or mobile. By clicking or tapping on it, you'll expand a menu with several options. Next, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click or tap on this and a submenu will appear. Within this submenu, you'll find the Language option. This is the key area where you'll carry out the necessary changes, so go ahead and select that. Once you're in the language settings, a list of language options will be displayed. Here you have the flexibility to choose whichever language you prefer from the list that Facebook provides. Simply select your desired language, and the system will automatically update your Facebook interface to reflect this choice. It's important to note that this change won't take effect immediately in Meta Business Suite, so don't be alarmed if you don't see instant results. For the new language settings to be applied in Meta Business Suite, you will need to refresh the page. You can do this by navigating back to the Meta Business Suite and either pressing the refresh button on your browser or simply reloading the page. Once refreshed, you should see that the interface in Meta Business Suite now displays in the language you selected. If at any point you decide to switch back to another language or try different settings, you can always revisit the same steps. Just head back to the Facebook language settings and make your adjustments, and then refresh Meta Business Suite to reflect those changes. And that's it. We've now successfully changed the language settings for Meta Business Suite by updating them through Facebook. It's a process that's designed to streamline your experience by keeping language preferences consistent across Meta's platform. Hopefully, this walkthrough has been helpful and you're now more comfortable navigating these settings. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check out more tutorials for all your technical needs.